So this is the main train station in Berlin, Germany. Yes, it's a big building, big modern building. It's the most modern train station in the world. We go inside and you'll be able to see what there is to see in this beautiful Bahnhof. As they say Bahnhof, in German it means train station. Very long, you can see a lot of traffic here also. We go inside this modern train station and you'll see what they have. They have a computerized bus station to let you know when the buses come, and they got 3 floors of trains inside the building. I've never seen it before, so I know you people also haven't seen it before. They have different floors. Here is a time schedule for all the buses that are coming. When it's blinking, it means the bus is arriving. So yes, we go inside the building. Wait for the door to open here, and then we'll go inside and look at the train station. So here's inside the train station. You can see there up on the floor there, they have the train station tracks on ohm. You can see where here are the people waiting for trains, and then you have down on the bottom floor also trains. So there you have the train tracks down at the bottom, waiting. Then this is where trains are waiting for. Then the elevators take you up to the train, and then the train's coming up here on the up the floor. Then you have stores. Here comes the train. And then you have down here another train coming in. Bottom floor. My finger away. And you have the people coming off the train and getting on the train. Over there, oh, there you can see McDonald's. There we have up here on the train up there. This is a train that can go 300 miles per hour. Go up the escalators here. Here you have more More shops. And there's a lot of elevators. And there's a bullet train. I'll see if I can get up there to get it before it takes off. There you go. There's your computerized fast bullet train. The doors are closing. They're all run on automatic door shutter. And as you see, you can't look inside because everything's mirrored. When you're inside the train, you can see out, but you can't see in. This train's going from Berlin to Köln. And it'll be taking off shortly. It's very quiet and a very smooth ride. A very smooth ride. And as you can hear, it's not very much noisy at all. It's very quiet. And inside it's very quiet. You don't even feel it. It's like cruising in a jet without the noise. Very quiet, and there it goes. Bye-bye. Let's see. So that'll be in Köln probably in 3 hours. And here you can see outside the window there, the sun's coming up. And there you have the S-Bahn. This is the top floor. And